Good morning, sir. Let's start our project. We welcome you to view our website Atmos. Atmos is an acronym for Administrative Team Management and Organization System. This is a web application through which you and your team can easily manage projects by assigning tasks, and the assignee can keep you informed of the progress and can also have private conversations with admin and other team members. This is our homepage. On the right side, the user can see an animated conversation telling the user why you should use Atmos. Then comes features. There are different features. The content will be updated later. Then there's a footer. Here's the contact us. And then there's pricing. Then we have login. Now since we don't have any credentials, let's sign up. We come on the plans page. You can select the plans according to your need. Let's get started for free now. Uh, let's try this validation. It will give you an invalid email ID. So this works. Now let's do this. 11@gmail.com, and the password is suppose this. Next, the password must be of 8 digit, and suppose now I give this and then I give this anything, the password should match, so it works. Now I will give it the correct password, and now we will enter an OTP. This hasn't been connected, but for now any 4-digit number will work. Now let's give a this first name is NAMN something, and then this is Vastu, and now we will give a phone number. um, let's give a unique phone number, and it has to be more than 10, and we can select agenda, and now next, and we come on the dashboard. Right, so now this is the home page of the dashboard. We'll come back on this later. Let's go to the project. Here you can see that there are different project lines. Now this all work, the sign up and everything works on backend, and it works with the database integrated. This works on backend, but it doesn't have the database connected. It works on the JSON. There's an the JSON object. So right now we have this. We can select it to the favorites, or we can delete it, and all that functions will be added more. Now let's create a new project. The new project is created. Now let's go into this project. Let's go into the overview. You can see the overview of the project. Here there are details like what are the total users, total task, total project, and everything. There are all the members, and then there are recent messages and tasks, and we will add other details like project details and everything else. Now there's task. Here you can add different sections. Now let's create a section, create message. The section is created, of course. You can add task. Let's add a task, create HTML file. The task is assigned to Naman, and now we have set a deadline. The priority is high and the status is at risk, and now you can give a description or something, and now task card is created. You can open any task. A task will be created, all the details will be mentioned and everything. You can of course up, update the task and everything, and now we can delete the task. Suppose I have to delete this task, I have to suppose delete this task. Now suppose the task is completed, so I can click on this and I will get all the details, and then the task is ticked and everything. Let's tick this task, and this also works. We can delete it. We can add more section if we want, and everything can be done. More features will be of course added. Now let's go back to the messages. Here messages are there. This is also a work in progress. You will get different things here. This will be project, this will be sections, and then there will be task, and then you can chat personally. Then there are notes. This is also a work in progress. Here there will be create notes and all that stuff. So this is all our project. Thank you.